So the magnetic force is given by force is going to be equal to the charge times the cross product of B cross B. And this force, well, it has to be in Newton, that's for sure, and it will be equal to Coulomb times meter per second times the units of magnetic field, which are Tesla. Tesla are the units of magnetic field, and it's from a cross product. So if I have, for instance, V as Vx in I plus Vy in J plus Vz in K, and we have, for instance, B as component X in I plus component Y in J plus component Z in K, we can build a matrix, and this matrix will help us perform the cross product. So B cross B is going to be equal, and we're going to input I, and then we're going to input J, and then we're going to input K, and this is, for instance, Vx, Vx, Vy, Vy, and Vz, and here is Vz. And in order to perform component I am going to do the product of this plus this times this minus this times this. So this is going to be, for instance, I component is going to be instance Vy Vz minus Vz Vy. Then I input a minus, and in order to perform J, I will do this times this minus this times this. So this is going to be, for instance, Vx Vz minus Vz Vx, and remember there is a minus here, so this usually generates a lot of noise. And then plus the K component, which is, for instance, this times this minus this times this. So this is going to be, for instance, Vx times Vy minus Vy times Vx. Yes, and this is just B cross B. If we wanted the force of this, so we will get, for instance, a number. This will get, for instance, a component X in I of, sorry, but this is not the force. I am not going to input force there. So this just gives me, for instance, component X of this in I, given, for instance, by the sum of these two terms, minus whatever, or plus, or the component B in Y in J plus component Z in K. And in order to get the force, we need to multiply term by term by Q. So the force is going to be given by Q times all the terms in each vector, right? So this is just for you to remind a little bit of these cross products, and of course this has to be given in Newton. Very important.